And let's get to another Minecraft video. Beam, 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 beam. Okay, so crazy craft as always. Okay, so have I got any raw meat? I've got 2 stacks of it. So you guys, you know what we do with this raw meat every morning, don't you? If you guys seen the other videos, you should know that we put in the microwave. So, just into the Batcave. If you guys are new, you watch the other videos when I introduce you to the Batcave. And, I actually miss a cookie. I want a cookie so bad, but that would be robbing. Okay, so now I put my meat there. They should come out here. I hope you guys can hear this sound, but look. You guys hear that? It's cool, huh? I get more meat. Because look, I got 24 steak. That ain't bad, but ain't good. Okay, so I'll be back with that. It takes a while for the meat to cook in the microwave. So, yeah, and let's do some. Cause I need some steak. Good thing I've got about 59 cooking in there. Okay, so as promised last video, we are making potions. Okay, so if I can just get in here, goddammit. Where is? Oh yeah, it's right here. So we made the brewing stand. Sorry. So I think we all know how to make potions. So if I just drink this, I have 3 bottles, which is amazing. I have so much energy. Woo! No. Ooh, you didn't see my heart going there. Let's see if I can catch a rabbit. I'll leave you guys there. You're living life. I don't know why I lagged there. I need to get in the dumb house. Okay, so I happen to know how to make potions. I'm pretty sure I do. Okay, so the brewing stand, as always. Brewing stand. Yeah, I've got 3 bottles. Oh yeah, 3 bottles of water. Just because I got so much energy. Oh, wait, couldn't we just fill them up here? I am so lucky to have a pond. Yeah, and then I'll have to travel all the way to the ocean, which sucks. Okay, so here goes there, and here goes there, and it's brewing. I think this makes an awkward potion. I'm pretty sure. So it's brewing right there. In the brewing stand. And after this, we are gonna try it out. What potion does it make? Did that say mundane potion? Okay, at the moment it has no effects. Do I do anything with put a glowstone in there? Okay, let's try that. I think it makes it last longer, but also makes it weaker. I don't get this. Okay, so if we add ourselves what if we add, I have no idea what we can add. Can we add a blaze rod? Let's try that. Nope. Yeah, that ain't happening. Okay. We can put a blaze rod in there, But what we can put in there is redstone. I think, yeah, redstone. So why aren't these working? I don't get this at all. I have no idea, Mr. Horsey. I'll just put these back because I'm an absolute noob. I'm a noob at all this sciencey stuff. I promise, guys, next video we'll do a video on this. Also, I want to try this out. People are saying that if you name a horse Dinnerbone, it makes them upside down. Okay, so let's try this. Dinnerbone. Where's the? Oh yeah. I have anvil in the Bat Cave, which none of these people know of, which is perfect. Okay, wait, let me just check what time it is. Wow, it is getting late. My goodness. Okay, so no, it's in the Batmobile. So if we get in here, name Dinnerbone. Dinnerbone. Wait, was it supposed to be separate or together? Wait, let me try it again. Dinnerbone. Oh, dang it. Let's try with this for now. Let me just get the meat because we're running low on meat. It should activate more. Yeah. The microwave's still going. It just needs to cook all of those. So, I don't have my speed anymore. It's because of here. Wait, oh yeah, these villagers don't give you experience, which sucks. Okay, oh yeah, I forgot what I was gonna do, but I just remembered. What if we call a villager? Would it work if we call a villager Dinnerbone? I have no idea. Okay, so we have to name this horse Dinnerbone. Dinnerbone, here you go. Where is it? Was it supposed to? Wait, let me try something out. Okay, so if we go to creative and get the name tag, I wish there was an anvil in the house actually, but we'll have to deal with it for now. I hope you guys are enjoying this series, and if we put Dinnerbone on this, Dinnerbone, will that work? I have no idea. Wait, did you guys see that? Wait, to the foe. Whatever does that tree in the distance have? You guys see in the circle? Wonder what does that have? Well, I have no idea. Let's just name this horse. Yeah, why isn't this working? Is it supposed to be a natural horse? Wait, let me try this. Spawn horse. Dinnerbone. Yeah, why isn't this working? I have no idea. why it isn't working, but Cinnabon, no. But I'm pretty sure also Mush. Someone also commented if you name a Mush. I don't know if that's true. But let's try this. Mush. Oh, was that the dog? Because I seen a video called 10 Things You Didn't Know About the Horse. Or was it the dog? Oh, come on. Well, at least that gave me the thought to okay, so there, and it should be now open for business. And you guys might think, hey, this is kind of weird. Did we just get sheep that are brown? Well, it doesn't really matter because they're all gonna be red. Okay, so I dyed them, and we have our own sheep farm, guys. Okay, I just need to get rid of these items because they're covering up my inventory. Covering up my whole inventory, actually. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and sheep farm. We'll be enjoying it more next time, and I'll see you next time. Robert MP here. Robert MP out. See you next time. Goodbye.